Nginibingelele nginamukele bafowethu emakhaya kuphi nakuphi la enikhona neNingizimu Afrika nangaphandle. Igama lami nguHlulu Mthakathi ngwakamhloli bafowethu. Kanti uhlelo olubukele njengamanje lubizwa ngokuthi isintu ngescience. Okuyila sisuke sibhekisisa kabanzi khona ngemvelaphi yomuntu kanye nomlando walempilo esiyiphilayo ngokusebenzisa ulwazi lwecosmology phecelezi space science. Izinkulumo zami bafethu zigxile kakhulu kwi-metaphysics ngokuholwa ulwazi lwe-quantum science. Okusho ukuthi mina i-metaphysics angiyi-understand njengoba wonke umuntu eyi-understanda. La kwa-metaphysics njengoba siyaye sisebenzise i-religion nenkolo yamadlozi uku-understanda into ekamoya, mina ngibuki kanjalo. Ngisebenzisa ulwazi lwe-quantum science ukuchaza-ke manje lezi zinto ey'jule ngempela ey'fihlakele nge-metaphysics. Quantum science iyakwazi ukuthi isisize sikwazi ukuchaza lezi zinto ezingachazeki ukuthi zenzeka kanjani, eziyaye sithi zingama-mysteries, spiritual mysteries la emhlabeni. Mina-ke nge-quantum science ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngichaze the mechanics noma the energetic parts of those dynamics ngokusebenzisa i-quantum science, which means i-quantum science indlela elula yoku-understanda i-spirituality. Inhloso enkulu-ke bafowethu yokwenza lento engiyenzayo ukwambula izinqa zento esiyibiza nge-physical matrix elawulwa ngama-fallen angelics noma ama-fallen angels noma ama-fallen angelic entities afana nama-Anunnaki, ama-reptilians nama-draconians. Bakwenza lokho besebenzisana nohulumeni bala emhlabeni laba abasiphethe. Uyabona? Also ngokusebenzisana nama-secret societies okungama-Illuminati family lines. Bese bekwazi ukuthi belawule le matrix ngenhloso yokulawula thina noma yokucontrola thina, basifihlela ulwazi ukuze sizohlala singazazi ukuthi singobani, sikuphi, sivelaphi futhi kungani. Eqinisweni thina bafowethu njengoba sila kwamhlaba, i-primary purpose yokuthi sibe la kwangesikho ukuthi sizoserve i-matrix. Sasilethwe lana as onogada noma ntshingelane ababekelwe la ukuthi bagade le ndawo, baphinde baphile kuyo futhi. Uyabona, baphile ngokuphilisana nangokwanelisana kule ndawo esiphila kuyo. But njengamanje sesenze ezinye inhloso bafethu, ama-fallen angelics ayasimama futhi ayathokoza, ayajabula ngokuthi thina asinalo ulwazi. Uyabona? Ngoba uma singake silithole lolo lwazi lolo, siwakhahlela siwafaka induku ama-fallen angelics, siwaxoshe la kule ndawo, kule dimension, ngoba sizovuka sibe yilama warriors esakhandelwa ukuthi sibe yiwona. Yingakho bekhanda i-matrix ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi basilalise, ukuze lenhloso yethu yokuzoba abavikeli omantshingelane ingenzeki, ukuze ke phela bona bezokwazi ukuyitamzela, bezenzela umathanda kule ndawo esiphila kuyo ngaphandle kokuphazanyiswa yithi. So it was necessary ukuthi thina basilalise, balimaza ama-chakras wethu, bavala amehlo ethu kamoya, our source of spirituality and empowerment. Uyabona? Balalise nama-Leviathans, but that's a story for another day. La kunama-ice khona ubokwazi ukuthi kunezilo ezinkulu okwakuyizona ezayivikela iplanethi back then. Sisebenzisana nazo thina. Wena wabona le movie ekuthiwa i-Avatar, ijulile leya movie, siyibukisise kahle kakhulu bafethu. Leya movie ikhuluma ngale ndawo le. Le ndawo le njengoba ubona iAvatar yayinezihlahla ezinjengalezi ya. Lezi sezizintaba manje. Ama tree trunks lawana intaba. They had to be cut off. This place was not like this. Ilwane ezazikhona njengoba ubona na kwiAvatar begibela ama dragon. Same as here. Lawo ma dragon akusizi izilwane nje. Abavikeli baleli yahlathi la kwiAvatar. Cabanga Avatar, cabanga Earth. Similarities. It's just that Earth has been altered so many times in such a manner that there's no memories. And it was wiped off of history. Ngiyabona. So ama-fallen angelics ke ayazuza ngokuthi thina silala. Yingakho abantu abafana nohlelo umthakathi benza lento ukuze abantu ngabanye bezovuka. Beyikhumbule ngoba ama memories inawo nganza kwethu. Nidinga nje abantu abanjengathi aba spiritual abazolokhu bede benikhumbuza nje. Ngiyathanda ngoba bafika abanye abantu kimi bezo affirm ukuthi mfowethu siyabonga. Lento oyifundisayo iyahambelana nami ngiyayizwa and kudala ngilindile ngiyabonga ukuthi ngihlangane nomuntu onjengawo. So ngesimanga sokuthi ke lama fallen angels ayasazi ukuthi singabo bani nanokuthi enzeni kithi. Ingakho ke they are constantly working so hard to ensure ukuthi thina asivuki ku matrix. Ngoba masingavuka ku matrix ayibophelelwa indawo yokuhlala. So baqathi impela so bafaka induku impela nje. Hawu skorobhe ngamakhanda ngabo phansi. Phela thina siyingane ezidalwe inkulu kabe inamandla. Uyazi ke nawe ngisadinga ukuchazela ingane ihlezi advanced than umzali. Makuwukuthi thina siyingane ezaqhamuka because of the combination of interstellar races and galactic races who are guardians. Cabanga what we can do. If uJesu wayehamba emanzini, we can do that and more. Naye njengoba ayesho ukuthi hayi lokho kuyidlanzana nje. Nina nizokwenza okukhulu kungempela kunalokho engikwenzayo. And that is the future that this current earth is headed towards to. So ngaphandle ke kokuchitha isikhathi bafowethu asixhume sihlale njengeselesele right ngiphethe inkamalanga bafowethu ngiyayazi ngeke ngisaya introducer isi residence la ekhaya inkamalanga sengiyayazi mawusemusha usiyothola kuma video namadala ukuthi yini le nkamalanga ngihlola umthakathi akhuluma ngayo. Anyway right. So last week sakhuluma about the galactic war noma wars. Maningi enzeka but bes highlight lawa abanama high impact lawa ayibaleke kakhulu. The ones that almost destroyed the entire universe. But there were so many little fights and wars and conflicts and dramas and polarity dramas in between those wars. You know, kwakushubile kakhulu in the galaxy, right? So just to do a recap, sifike sathi mangabe lezi idalwa seyihlukana phakathi ngoba zizonke zisase umndeni omunye zayibizwa ngama Christos creator races, ziqhamuka from sound and light properties and zayibizwa nge-blueprint of the entire multiverse and galaxies. I-blueprint which means impilo yaqhamuka ngabo kwabekwa kubo ukuthi kube yibona aba-creatayo impilo ngokuqhubekela phambili, right? So base behlukana phakathi ke kwase kuba khona abalwisana manje naleli cebo, kwase kuba khona abafuna ukulivikela. Laba abafuna ukulivikela babizwa ngama guardian angelics. Laba abafuna ukulidestroy babizwa ngama fallen angelics, right? Now initially it was not predicted yonke le chaos and drama and polarity drama ukuthi nje siyoke sidinge i-protection. Ngaze ngenza last week i-example ngasema suburbs ukuthi umuntu wasema suburbs mfethu usafe ema suburbs ngeke hleze libe cabangana nokuthi khona umuntu ozongihlwitha ifoni, khona umuntu ozongigqekezela, you know, noma nje asibekise ngalaba abakuma private estates. They're not worried about security and safety, you know. So the universe initially yenzeka yonke lento kukhandwa nje lempilo, the universe was like that. Yayingena protection, ingena security measures. But mase kwenzeka this division in between lezi idalwa sekuliwa kwenzakala all those galactic wars. Sase siyabonakala ke isidingo sokuthi no man, we need security measures for protection purposes ngoba hayi no ngathi kuyaliwa, you know. Amalunga ama Christos races ehlangene nama nokukhanya, amalunga lawa angukukhanya, the light energetic beings bahlangana together formulator a universal galactic service of protection called the Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds, right? but ngokuqhubeka kwezimpi ke kwangaba enough lokho kwabonakala no man iyanyuka, you know, it's getting serious. So kwasekuthi olizwi the light beings they put it noma they gave a directive to the Christos races ukuthi hey nalu nathi ulibofuzo lwethu siya contributor nana ke inhlanganiso lwenu nisikhandele idalwa zohlobo oluthile esiyokwazi ukuthi mangabe sidingeka kuma dimensions lezo idalwa sisebenzisa imizimba yazo. Should leyo mzimba inama higher dimensional frequencies ukuthi imumathe consciousness wokukhanya. Uyabona? Lezo dalwa zathi mase ikhandiweke nazo for that purpose. Zase zikhande yazi organization nayo administrator ngu Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds. And yona le organization ebizwa ngokuthi Universal Stargate Protection noma as you write Universal Stargate Protection, right? So sahamba isikhathi hayi zaqhubeka izimpi kwavele kwaba wese kakhulu kwathiwa hey sidinge ezinye idalwa futhi ezizoba namandla kakhulu ke manje sonke ke nama as you write sonke no kukhanya nama crystals asiphinde futhi si contribute ngama genetic materials wethu ukukhanda ezinye idalwa ezizoba ngama offsprings wethu, which means zizoba much more advanced than us. Lezo idalwa zabizwa ngo-Orafim. Kwaseke nazo lezi idalwa it's for universal protection measures, right? But zona zazi more advanced kakhulu, and lezi idalwa u-Orafim bayisakaza kuwo wonke ama dimensions angezansi kuka harmonic universe number 4. Harmonic universe number 4 kukhona dimensions 12, 11 and 10, right? Which means lezi idalwa bayifaka ku 12, 11 and 10 zase zafakwa na ku 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Akhona ama Orafim angelic human beings, right? For protection, ukugada igalaxy negalaxy noma dimension nedimension, right? Kwase kubonakala ke ukuthi ngoba lezi idalwa kufana neinvestment yakho uyawuzama ukuyiprotecta ngithi kwabonakala lezi idalwa ze-advanced kakhulu ekuqaleni ngoba zizobe isayifunda zisazama ukuyijwayela kungenzeka kufela ama-fallen angels ayikhohlise lezi idalwa. So sidinga abantu abazoba responsible for ukugada lezi idalwa plus beqhubeke nokugada ama-dimensions nama-galaxies while zisakhula lezi idalwa zisajwayela ukuzazi ziyifunde nama-abilities wazo. Yasiqhamuka kanjalo-ke enye inhlangano ebizwa ngokuthi i-Galactic Alliance noma i-Guardian Alliance. Nayo futhi i-Guardian Alliance iyafakwa kuwo wonke ama-galaxies o-12, which means u-galaxy number 1 noma u-dimension number 1 has got a Guardian Alliance Council. Dimension number 2 Guardian Alliance Council kanjalo up until ku-12, right? So sithi-ke nawa ama-Universal Protection Team when wabona ama-Avengers, yabona ama-Avengers abantu abaningi abahlukahlukene but bahlangene bonke for one mission. Lezi inhlangano lama organizations alibe aqanjwa because i-universe ekuqaleni kwangapredictekanga ukuthi kuyoba nezimpi. So lama organizations akhandelwa to protect the universe, especially the Stargate and the inner portals and the intertime portals, you know. Ngoba phela afana nama traveling devices, ama portals, they made out of energy. So if the fallen angelics bakhona to get hold of these stargates and these inner portals, babezokwazi ukungena nje baphume as they please in all dimensions and colonize and do everything. Either way baba successful still, either way engenini basebenzisa, you know, the reversed systems, dark systems, which created black holes and all of that. Black holes are sucking in energy and not reciprocating it back, which aligns with the Fibonacci spiral and you know, the poison apple effects njalo njalo. But anyway, asikho lapho bagcina bephumeleleke ekutheni bayenze lenhloso yabo ukuthi bafinyelele kulama dimensions. Kwase kuba namanye ke ama protective measures, right? So today siyaqhubeka ke, right? But ekuqhubekeni kwethu ngicela uunderstand ukuthi la sigcine khona ku episode odlule, episode number 1, sigcine la khona sekukhandwa the Galactic Alliance and the Orafim, right? Ngase ngakuchazela ukuthi ngokukhandwa kwale race esithi Orafim ama fallen angelics abe esenza i-counter action ngokuthi akhande ama Anunnaki ukuthi nathi sonkhandelo ntanga benu ma Orafim bayeza yithi ama Orafim yikho sihlushwa ama Anunnaki benama Illuminati basenza into beyithunyelwa ngu-Anu Elohim okuyi ancestor yabo yokuqala yaba fallen or the members no futhi vele kwakuyi ancestor kwakuyena uAnu base bonke ke beyama fallen angels babizwa ngaleyo ancestor kwathiwa ama Anu Elohims sebebaningi ke but umuntu oyedwa owaqala ukucabanga lezi zinto ezomsangano wayihlamuka phela kuqala umuntu uqala izamba nelilodwa bese lwabolisa onke uyabona uAnu Elohim onke kasebizwa ngama Anu Elohim akhona amanye kuthiwa ama Seraphim ama reptilians nama draconians afola under ama Seraphim njengoba uyawuzwa ngayo Seraphim eBhayibhelini kanti nangaye uElohim uyezwa ngayo eBhayibhelini net kuthi wena usukuyitshela ukuthi kukhulunywa ngoNkulunkulu kanti hayi kukhulunywa ngawo ama fallen angels uyabona so ke today ngifuna uunderstand ukuthi njengamanje ngiyajumpa kuningi obekumele ngabe ngiyakuveza in relation to lezi zimpi zasemuva uyabona but ngizojumpa izimpi zakwa Andromeda udimension 9 ngizojumpa izimpi zakwa Gaia dimension 8 ngizojumpa izimpi zakwa Arcturus dimension 7 ebese ngizoqala specifically ezimpini noma bese ngizoyiqala nje lento udimension 6 in the Sirius star system right ukwehlela siya phansi ngoba thini lapha esitholakala khona yabona uyabona nawe nje obunama chakra nje i-heart chakra angithawu 7 ama chakra akho mawuzobala from i-root chakra uthola ama chakra awu3 bese phakathi nendawo kuba ne-heart chakra ngaphezulu kwe-heart chakra kukhona i-throat 1 i-third eye 2 bese kuba i-crown 3 which means una 3 ngenhla 3 ngezansi kuhlukaniswe i-heart chakra udimension number 6 in the Sirius star system uyena ohlukanise angithi sithi lama dimensions awu12 kusho ukuthi u6 uyena owahlukanisile lama lokhongana uyiphakathi nendawo uyicenter so kwasekuphoqa ukuthi ama Christos nolizwi nokukhanya njalo njalo bathumela ezinye idala ukuthi zizohlala la kwa dimension 6 yabona enezivule i-council enkulu ezokwazi ukuthi ke manje ke ibhekelele lama dimensions angaphansi kuka dimension 6 kusho ukuthi u dimension 5 4 3 2 1 unakekelwa noma kuyakuthiwa yini main office yabo i-main administrator yawo wonke noma sithi nje ngolimi ozwakalayo the council enakekele i-protection njalo njalo yalama dimensions angaphansi oku 5 4 3 2 1 nayo 6 i-council etholakala lapha in the Sirius star system in that system khona u-Sirius A no Sirius B sinokuzwa kakhulu ngo-Sirius B but asixoxelwe ngo-Sirius A because kuyazi ukuthi la ama-fallen angelics anqwabelene khona and we're not supposed to know that kuyaxoxwa ngaye but rarely kancane kakhulu yabona so ngifuna sikhulume about ke le council ibizwa ngokuthi i-master council but ngizoqala ngekunderstandiseka ukuthi yayikhandeke kanjani ingxube evane yaziphi idalwa uyabona ngoba kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi sazi ngale council le council nayo yayifana nje ne-universal protection ngizama ukuthi lana uyabona njengoba kukhona interdimensional association of free worlds kukhona Azurite Stargate protection kukhona Orafim njalo njalo yabona as the security measures sizama ukuthi ke nale council usase isenabelo sakho njalo ukuthi kuvikelwe phela the universe nama planets akhona nama galaxies njalo njalo so ama councils amaningi akhona la kwa earth nakwamanye ama dimension 4 njalo njalo kakhulukazi wa dimension 2 yabona lawo ma councils lawo avela from this master council uyabona iyakwa Sirius B kusho ukuthi i-council yona isigungu eminje as the main yase izalamanye kama council amancane uyabona shuthi mawufuna ukubuyela le kuma higher councils afana no interdimensional association of free worlds uzolibunyuka ngokwala ama council uzofika kule council la kwa-Series B yiyo-ke ezokunika i-stargate sokuthi udlulele kulamanye ama-council ngoba iyona ewungqongqoshe. Lamanye ama-dimensions angaphezulu-ke kuka-6 okuwu-7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 wona engamelwe ile council le yama-Christos, yama-guardian Christos elapha kwa-dimension 12 sekuyayenza-ke iswenze 12 and 6 yabona. U-12 unakekele lokho ongaphansi kuze kuyofika ku-6, u-6 unakekele okungaphansi kuze kuyofika ku-1 yabona. So ke asi hlalo dabeni kanza kwethu right. Uyazi ke hlezi kuyisingisi bese ngiyaxolika ke. Uthola laphana ke in addition to the universal security, the light beings created a council to administer all issues concerning dimensions below. Uthola laphana ke njengesenabelo noma isiqhubekezelo sokuvikela phela njalo i-universe noma the multiverse. After zonke lezi zimpi eqhamukele phezulu kwabe sekukhandwa futhi another universal security team yabona, ikhandwa noma i-directive iqhamuka from okukhanya base behlangana bonke ke no Azurite no Oraphim laba vele sebevele bekhona ukuthi kukhandwe isigungu saleli board yabona elizokwazi ukuthi libe responsible for zonke indaba zalempi leni nalombango ezithinta lama dimensions angezansi oku-54321 right. So yakhandelwa lokho ke lesi sigungu sakhandelwa lokho right. Bese kuthiwa ke members of this council were created with genetics of the Azurite. Sengichazile kodwa angisase ngikusho genetics of the Azurite race who lived in dimension 6, which means uyakhumbula u-Azurite ukuthi sathi wakhandelwana, sathi u-Azurite wakhandelwa ukuthi olizwi bekwazi ukungena ngokusheshsha uma bedingeka bezoxazulula labaxazulula khona mangabe kuba nezimpi yabona. Kwakuyilowo nhloso kuthiwa ke ama-Azurite awagcinanga kuphela ku-dimension 12, akhona atshalwa njenge-Oraphim ngithi ngitshela ithi nayo itshaliwe kuwo wonke ama-dimensions, nama-Azurite atshalwa ke la kwa-12. In fact atshalwa kuyo yonke indawo, i-dimension ne-dimension inawo ama-Azurite, but lawa abaluleke kakhulu yilawa ahlala laphana kwa-dimension 6 yabona. So kusho ukuthi kuthiwa ke le master council ikhandwe amalungu alawo ma-Azurite ahlala la kwa-dimension 6 uyabona, plus ilawo malungu lawo ma-Azurite plus the Terran Oraphim angelic humans, idalo lezi ezitholakala lapha kwa-dimension 5 uyabona. Before ngiqhubeke ake ngichaze ukuthi kungani ngijumpe ngivele ngasuka from those galactic wars ngajumpa udimension izimpi zakwa dimension 9, 8, 7 ngaqhamuka sengizoxoxela ngo6 siyehle, ngoba ngifuna sisheshe sifike la kuthenini uzubona ukuthi sifinyelele kanjani thina la kwa Earth. Angeke sikhathaze ngama issues wakwamanye ama dimensions nezimpi zakhona, masifunda ngakho ingoba sisuke sifuna ukuthola ama traces. Njengamanje nje sikhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka la le dimension 12, ungathi wena hlula umthakathi kusithinta ngaphini ingoba nathi si-influencewa yizo lezi zinto. But njoba ngigijima ngaka ngifuna sisheshe sifike la sesikhona kwa Earth ukuze ubone ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani ukuthi nathi size sifinyelela isifinyelela khona, size siphilele impilo esiyiphilayo manje yabona. So ingakho ngiconcerned ngokwakho konke kwa dimension 6 wehla uyaphansi yabona. So buka ngizokhandela isithombe salento engiqeda ukisho thina la kwaMhlaba ne lo planet lesikuyi planet Earth iyingane ye planet ekwa dimension 5 ebizwa ngoTara, Tara, Tara planet, but ke ibizwa ngokuthi it's the Terran planet or noma Taran, Taran yabona, Terran planet. Lapho kunezidalwa ezayiphila khona noma ngithi kwaphila thina kwaTara. Angithi sengitshela ukuthi uplanet Earth ingane kaTara, kusho ukuthi nathi we rightfully belong kwaTara. uTara utholakala kwa dimension 5. Yipi thini language esikhulumayo nje during this golden age of ascension? Akusiyo u-D5 abaningi bahlezi bawaphimisa nje lamagama bethi hayi dimension 5 D5 ascension siya-ascenda siya kwa D5 D5 consciousness abazi bakhuluma ngani. Kusho ukuthi ama frequencies ka Earth asezonyuka ematch i-vibrational frequency ka dimension 5 kwiplanet le ebizwa ngoTara. Leyo planet ngenxa yazi izimpi futhi yaqhuma yathi mayiqhuma ama pieces we morphogenetic field ayilo planet awela la kula esesikhona athi mayifika afica isolar system okuyilanga adonsa ama frequency elanga kwaze wakhandeka ama planet. Kusho planet Earth ukhandwe ngama pieces wale ya planet ekwa D5 thina we rightfully belong kwa D5 ilona zulu makuthiwa heaven and earth makuthiwa ingadi yase Eden kunywa ngo dimension 5 ila isivela khona. So ngifuna sheshe sifike lapho ekuthenini next week nje kuzobe sengixhuma ngihlala sengiqala ngikhuluma ngoTara njengamanje ngisafuna ukuchaza ngale master council ngoba idlala indima enkulu mangayichazanga ngeke uyiunderstand yonke into engisazoyisho ngemuva. Uyabona ngokuchazela ngale master council. So the reason why ngifuna sina kuTara is because uEarth uqhamuka khona kwaTara. Ingakho abantu abaningi bezwa bekhuluma nge5D. Also uTara ke yena uqobo lwakhe naye uyingane ka dimension 8. U dimension 8 obizwa ngo Gaia. That's why abanye futhi abantu hlezi ubezwa bethi Mother Gaia besho ku Earth lo esiphila ku. Basho ukuthini? Basho ukuthi u dimension 8 i-morphogenetic field noma i-DNA ka dimension 8 yazala u dimension 5. U dimension 5 wazala u dimension 3 lo esesikuwo. Shuthi sisho ukuthi uGaia ugogo wethu. Masikhuluma ngokwama planet sisho ukuthi iplanet eugogo kithi uGaia. Iplanet eumama kithi uTara uD5. Thina sikwa D3. Shuthi sithi thina sikwa D3 sisuka kuma wethu okwa D5 hence senze i5D ascension manje. Mase sifikile kwa D5 nakhona sakwazi ukwenza kahle sa ascenda siyobe sesiascendela into ugogo wethu oku D8 oku Mother Gaia wangempela. Hayi uEarth. uEarth ubizwa ngo Mother Gaia because uumzukulu kaGaia ka dimension 8. Uyabona? So cishe usuya understand lama concepts anokuhlala vele kwa social media mawuza abantu bethu Mother Gaia 5D ascension vele thina siya ascenda. Uyabona? It correlates bafethu. Uyabona? So that's why ke ngifuna sisheshe sixhume sihlale ke la and ngichazele kakhulu ngi-interested angikho interested kuma higher heavens ngi-interested kuma lower heavens because ila nathi sitholakala khona ukuze uzo understand ukuthi safika kanjani. Already sengihlephulelile nje ukuthi kahle kahle uplanet Earth lo ukhandwe ngengcucu zakwa D5. So kusho ukuthi acaceke ukuthi okay si related no D5 hence sikhuluma language ye D5 kumanje. Yabona? La abantu abadlule besonto namadlozi kade be channeled kakhulu ku D4 la okunqwabelene khona ama fallen angelics wonke umuntu osase sethongweni nje uinfiltrated kubhlungu bafethu ukubuzwa kodwa kunjalo ayikho enye indlela yokukunabukelisa kunjalo. Uma ufemba usebenzisa amathambo unedlozi uphuza amagobongo ufaka ubuhlalu namabhayi unendumba uyahlaba uchitha igazi usebenzisa impepho uchanneled ngama frequencies ka dimension 4 la kuhlala khona ama fallen angelics. Ingakho kumele udliswe igobongo so that lizolalisa isithunywa wena uzala nesithunywa wena. Igobongo impando elanda le ngaphandle uthi uzofaka idlozi emzimbeni wakho. Lifike licindezela isithunywa usukunayo into kaNkulunkulu ekhuluma kuwe okuyisithunywa okuintuition leso sithunywa leso. Bese wena uzolanda abanguni abalozi abandawo abandiki uzobafaka emzimbeni wakho bafike bathulisa isithunywa sisebenza sodwa leminye imoya namakhosi njalo njalo kumele kuhlangane kube imbumba kuze kwazi ukusebenzisana. That's why umuntu uyawuza ukuthiwa hayi unomlozi nomndawo nomndiki akuphathe konke ko4 eyedwa noma omunye waphatha konke ko6 lemoya eyedwa omunye ke mhlawumbe uzoba nowodwa kuthiwa unabalozi kuphela. Uyabona? Ayikho into ekuthiwa isithunywa sentaba isithunywa samanzi isithunywa sikumuntu intuition something that speaks to the person first before other external influences. Uhletshelwe into yakho wena qha Now kuyingozi ke ngoba nawo amadlozi ayakwenza lokho. Ak-infiltrate. That's why we need to have discernment. Uyabona? So ingakho ke ngi-interested ku dimension 6 sehla sogcina siyithola manje zolibe ningilandela nje ngizogcina ngithola ukuthi njoba sila sifike kanjani. Lento nginilandele yona le phezulu bafethu ngehla nayo. Yabona? Mase sifika la phansi kuzobe seku easy ukuthi understand ama higher heavens nokuthi sifike kanjani ekhe lapha. Yabo? So what dimension 5 sasibizwa ngokuthi singama Turanesium. Sasiyidalwa zakwaTara. Kodwa before sibe ama Turanesium, angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi iOraphim le ekhandelwe ama Anunnaki kwathiwa awayi contest. iOraphim ikhandelwe ukuthi ikwazi ukuprotect base beyikhandela ama Anunnaki ukuze ezolwisana naye iOraphim. Ngithi ke yatshalwa na ku dimension 6. KwaTara nakhona eyikhona kwa dimension 5 iOraphim. Usho ukuthi ke le master council engiyishoyo ihlanganiswe amalungu eAzurite kuhlangana namalungu eOraphim alapha na kwa dimension 5. Uyabona? Two wayidalwa a contributor ngama genetic materials wawo ukuze kukhandeke this master council. Yabo? Yona ke le master council because umaster council akusiyi igama layo. It's just ukusho ukuthi isigungu noma i-council ekuyiyona ewu-administrator kusho lokho master council. Fana nokuthi ngithi master key. Ukhiye ovuvala ovula yonke iminyango. Kusho ukuthi njoba sithi master council isigungu lesi silawula zonke izigungu ezimelele ukuvikeleka kwe-universe. But igama leso laleyo master council ke ebizwa ngalo ibizwa ngokuthi iMaharaji. Sizocabanga amandi yakhe. Vele ku related kancane nje kancane ngiyochazela one day kuhlangana kanjani. Maharaji. Right? So sithi idalwa zakwa dimension 5 nakwa dimension 6. Yizo ezakhanda isigungu esibizwa ngeMaharaji. Right? iMaharaji was to serve as additional security organization. Uyabona? Kushuthi futhi sisase kuyo lento yokuvikela iuniverse, right? Lo additional security organization ke iyayibizwa ngokuthi ke iMelchizedek Cloister iyani Master Council. Kushuthi ngithi ama Azurite ahlangana nama Oraphim ayitholakala kwa dimension 5 ama Azurite ayitholakala kwa dimension 6 but esuka le phezulu, right? They just stationed them there for protection measures. Bahlangana together, right? Bakhanda isigungu esibizwa ngokuthini iMaharaji, right? Kwaseke manje ke kuleso sigungu leso kusase abantu nje basayiformulateile bayibiza ngokuthi bangama Maharaji. Base bevula iorganization ke. Le organization iyo lese ebizwa ngoMelchizedek Cloister iyani Master Council. So masilibe siqhubeka. Please nganza kwethu. Uzongizwa ngisebenzisa igama elithi iyani Master Council kuphela. Ngingamusho uMelchizedek Cloister. Uzolokhu ngizwa ngithi iyani Master Council. Sometimes ngivele ngithi Master Council. Usuyokwazi ukuthi ngiyobe ngikhuluma about the Maharajis. Uyabona? Ngale race ke the Maharajis kusho ukuthi still olizwi nokukhanya bayakhona ukuthi bangene emzimbeni yabo because kunama genetics one weAzurite, remember? So kusho ukuthi olizwi nokukhanya bayakhona ukuthi shwi bangene emzimbeni balungise leso simo baphinde babuyele. Yabona? This Maharaji race had genetic material that could hold primal life force currents. Kuthiwa ke imizimba ya kaMaharaji iyayinama frequencies ayekwazi ukubamba imizimba yolizwi nokukhanya because ulizwi nokukhanya those are higher dimensional frequencies. Ingakho sometimes kuye kube nama miscarriage. Omunye umuntu abe ne miscarriage. Sometimes i miscarriage ayisiyo into. Uconsciousness loyo onama frequencies are high ukuthi uzama ukuzongena emzimbeni wakho. Kwafika umzimba wakho wena weak. Yafa lo ngane leyo. Hayi uthi konke wrong mhlambe sekuzomela futhi ugeze emva kwalokho ayikho lonto izokuvalela izinto ayikho lonto leyo. but hayi njalo izimo lezi ezenzakala rare esikhathini esiningi abantu babeba nama miscarriage hlezi vele kuhama issues wezandla zabantu wenjalo njalo but sengisho ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi kuyenzeka imiscarriage umuntu miscarriage kanti it's not ukuthi vele sekuyinto embi beku higher consciousness inkosi yami ukukhethile nawe ngoba ubona isisu sakho amaqanda akho nesibeletho sakho kanti asikho strong enough chitheka ke yabona so yeah so iMaharaji ke through iMaharaji idalwa ezinkulu ingakhona ukufika ngemzimba yo Maharaji right ngoba they can embody the primal life force frequencies are coming from the universe of the avatar races. Le universe ka yama avatar races sibiza ngo harmonic universe number 4. You will refer to my old videos, especially the one yama fallen angelics ku season 1 part 5 noma episode 5 right? Laphana kuma avatar races kuno dimensions 11 12 and 10 lawo ma frequencies lawo khumbula ukuthi yithi yiwo la sithi ngama crystals frequencies iwona la create yonke impilo the crystals frequencies yabona so kuthiwa the Maharaji beings can embody lawo ma frequencies lawo ngemzimba yawo yabona collectively lama frequencies are called crystals frequencies. So mangikhuluma about the crystals frequencies usuyazi ngikhuluma ngama frequencies ayi blueprint, the ones that belongs to the crystals creator beings. Lezi ezahlukana phakathi zaba nezimpi. Angithi zazi blueprint yize ezakhanda impi ezakhanda impilo, right? Shuthi yonke ke into eyimpilo inawo lama frequencies wama crystals creator races. Hence they are called the crystals frequencies. Ama frequencies wama crystals creator beings. And uChristos uvela from iChrist ngihlezi ngisho lokho nanokuthi uChristu wavela kanjani yabona it's an outcome of sound and light and then there came liquid light crystalline frequencies right singathi ke it's the crystals frequencies or the Christic currents right iChrist is a life force of the avatar races since they are the blueprint which created life sithi these crystals igama lavela from uChrist in nature yama frequencies wama crystals creator races are a combination ka sound and light shuthu sound and light ulizwi nokukhanya bakhanda amanye ama frequencies noma amanye ama energy frequencies owuthi mawuwabuka abe in a form of liquid in a form of ukucweba ukuthiwa yini ukuhlungeka uyayibona nje crystal yabona cabanga ama frequencies kanjalo ay akhazimula ngalo ndlela njenge crystal or diamond you know but awuketshezi lawo ma frequencies lawo liquid light right ukukhanya okuwuketshezi hence the word Christ kama kanjalo ku crystals creator beings no crystals frequencies kama kanjalo futhi no Jesus Christ ngoba uChrist wayena lama frequencies uyabona so which is why the avatar races are called the crystals founders races because they are founders of the multiverse who created the universe through their Christic blueprint. So the avatar creator races are called the crystals creator races or founders races, right? So this means ukuthi iMaharaji race bona ke babe nayo iChristic blueprint bengifuna siye lapha angithi sithi uMaharaji is a combination of the Oraphim Terran Oraphim from dimension 5 plus the combination of ama Azurite ahlala kwa D6 bayibiza ngoMaharaji base be formulate organization esithi iMelchizedek Cloister iYani Master Council right so kushuthi since bay Maharaji bona they can embody these crystals frequencies yabona okuyi force that created all life on the multiverse right and they were the members of the Melchizedek Cloister iYani Master Council shuthi le Master Council engithe ngifuna sikhulume ngayo ngoba ibalekile yiyo ke iYani it's the iYani Master Council noma iMelchizedek Cloister iYani Master Council made up of the Maharaji which are a combination of the Oraphim and the Azurites both coming from the higher dimensions ngiyabona so asiqhubeke sifunda Tuagelana, zonke idalwa in the universe have lama crystals frequencies. Of course, it makes sense because lama crystals frequencies are blueprint. Aikwazi ukuthi into ikhande bese ungabi nawo ungabi nayo imprint yayo, right? And these Christic frequencies are activate buka kuthiwa umuntu ukuze lama sonke kahle kahle sinayo potential yokuthi sibe nama crystals frequencies emzimbeni yethu, but buka ukuthi activate kanjani. These crystals frequencies noma the Christ frequencies are activated by the activation of all 12 strands of DNA. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi wena kahle kahle ngokomthetho i-DNA yakhe isiphelele inama strands awu-12, and njengamanje sifundiswa thina nge-strand esisodwa. But for the fact ukuthi we are stationed la kwa dimension 3 kusho ukuthi sisa operate ngama strands awu-3, kusho ukuthi si-activate awu-9 onke ukuze sizoba nawu-12 are active. Once about 12 are active wonke ama crystals frequencies azobe sefika ke kithi bese kugcwaliseka lo mbhalo kaJesu ukuthi siyokwenza konke okungaphezulu kulokhu yena akwenza. Siyohamba emanzini impela singene kuma portals senze zonke izinto silevitate. Yingakho kubalekile ukunakekela umzimba uyithempeli bafowethu, ngoba i-DNA lesikhuluma ngayihlala la emzimbeni wakho. Yonke lento lama processes engikhuluma ngayo kumele enzeke la kuwe ngaphakathi emzimbeni, hayi kude outside of yourself. Uyabona? So ama crystals frequencies ikwa activate kanjalo ngokuthi activate ama DNA strands wakho onke u12. Zwana ke kuthiwa a being isidalwa can no longer be bound by the laws of nature or physics. Kuthiwa isidalwa once saba nalama crystals frequencies siyakwazi ukuthi siphikisane nayo yonke imithetho yaka physics efana no gravity njalo njalo. That's why ukwazi ukulevitate, that's why ukwazi ukuhamba phezulu kwamanzi, that's why ukwazi ukushintsha iwine ulenze ushintsha amanzi wenze iwine, that's why uzokwazi ukuthi uvule ulwane once waba nama crystals frequencies. Uphikisa umthetho wemvelo ngoba usuphethe lama frequencies akhanda imvelo uqobo lwakho, which means usuphethe uNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe emzimbeni wakho. Izifo vele ukhulume nomuntu uthi hey hamba wena la emzimbeni walomuntu, adlikizele same time umuntu asinde alale uyovuka late ekuphelile, noma umbeke nje isandla la noma umthinto noma umhage noma wenzeni, akuthathi isikhathi ukuthi ulapha umuntu mawunala ama frequency njengoba yenza nje noJesu aka uYeshua. Sithi ke once a being can no longer or be bound by the laws of nature, right? Bese ngishilo lokho zwana leso sidalo mase sinalawo ama frequencies lawo through uku-activate ama DNA strands onke u12. Leso sidalwa can then teleport. Leso sidalwa can then levitate. Leso sidalwa can then walk on water, project fire with his hands or eyes. They can heal with their hands. They can project the eyes with their hands. Telekinesis, clairvoyance iyanyuka, clairsentience iyanyuka, clairaudience iyanyuka, claircognizance iyanyuka. Wonke ama psychic abilities aba heightened ngendlela eyisimanga ngenxa lama frequencies mayisephile emzimbeni wakho. Guess what baby? That's our future, me and you. Me and you. As you watching this video, le video ama content yama interest umuntu ongayi ku D5 esingeze ukuhamba naye njengoba siyezulwini nje. And yonke into engisho yezulu no D5 izoba la. Hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe uzobona umhlaba ushintshe isibhakabhaka sibanye. Sazoqhubeka siphile la. But sicabanga ngendlela engafani. Yabo nje ubuka le video uzwa le message. Ngethembe definitely sure. Zonke lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo usaya lapho nawe kuleyo future. Usazothuka isimanga wena ngempilo yakho uthi kanti ubuwazi ukwenza izinto ezingaka. Futhi ngimane ngiyakhuluma abanempeni bazenza lezi zinto emaphusheni man. It's just that nivuka nje sometimes ninganaki ngoba phela siyabantu uyabona. Siphila lezi impilo lezi ezincane nkosami ngathi siyintuthwane. Sibe siyama uyabona. So siyaqhubeka. Konke ke lokho esengikushilo sizama ukusho ukuthi uYeshua aka Jesus naye uvela from D6 in the Maharaji race line of the Iyani Master Council in the Sirius B stellar system. Yonke lento sengikhuluma ngayo uJesu uvela lapho ke. Uyabona ukuthi kungani ke wayekwazi ukwenza lezi zinto ayenze. Ngiyithanda lapha ke quantum science. Ngeke usaxakeka nje ukuthi uJesu wahamba kanjani phe kwamanzi. Ngenxa yonke lento sengichazele yona ngequantum science. Ngeke sakuthusa ukuthi washintsha kanjani amanzi wakwenza iwayini. Sengichazile ngithi. Awusukaneni madoda. Right there. Siyaqhubeka sithi, if a being activates their 12th strand and embody the Christos frequencies, they are also called the avatars. Njengoba naye uJesu aka Yeshua noma uYeshua aka Jesus. Wayebizwa nge-12 stranded avatar. Wayebizwa nge-avatar uJesu. Avatar 12 noma uYeshua 12. To represent onke lama DNA strands wakhe are active emzimbeni wakhe onke u12. Uyabona? So this means that Jesus or Yeshua was a sengikushilo bakithi yazi ngine tendency yokuthi ngisheshe ngigijime eqale ngiyisho into mase ngifunda phansi uthothi sengifundile bese ngivele ngiyishilo. I'm just advanced ngizothini. Anyway, angisase ngikusho. This means that Jesus or Yeshua was a 12-stranded avatar human being who was coming from the 6th dimension in the Sirius B star system from a planet called Sirius B. He was a member of the Maharaj race line that makes up the Iyani Master Council that is responsible for handling all affairs below dimension 6 and to also protect the stargates of dimensions 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Angichaza ngesiZulu. Kusho ukuthi uJesu wayenama DNA strands awu12 are active emzimbeni wakhe. Leso sidalwa leso ebizwa ngeavatar therefore. Evela kwa dimension 6 laphana in the star system eyibizwa ngo-Sirius B. Kuyiplanet in the Sirius star system kuyiplanet ebizwa ngo-Sirius B. Wayeyilungu leMaharaj race line ekuyiyona eyakhanda iMelchizedek Cloister Iyani Master Council. Okuyiyona ke leyo Master Council responsible for ukunakekela zonke indaba zakwa dimension 6 kuya phansi and to also protect ama stargates ka dimension 6 kuya phansi. Nangoku uJesu uYeshua akekho futhi ongathi ozothaka some understand, especially mawubukele le video siyababona ke bangena inhlahla yokuba la nathi. Uyabona? Sasiqhubeke sifunde. A human isidalwa has a genetic potential of up to 48 DNA strands. Masithi uJesu wayenawo 12. Uyacabanga book uJesu wayenawo 12 enza zonke lezi zinto ayizenza. How much more usunawo 48? A being with all activated 48 strands of DNA would literally become God, because they would have frequencies from the sound being's energy field and the light being energy field and the crystals, which are all the forces that created life. Uyakhumbula ku episode 1 season 2 last week nje ngathi mina ngisakhuluma ngolizwi nokukhanya ngathi kufike kube khona uNkulunkulu kube khona ulizwi kube khona ukukhanya bese kuba khona ama crystals ngathi basase uNkulunkulu ingakho nama crystals ebizwa ngama creator gods kusase uNkulunkulu ezicana nje akakakhandwe impilo yebo bayidalo but eziwuye futhi uNkulunkulu. Uyabona? So kushuthi mase sithi wena ngokuba nama frequencies awu48 sisho ukuthi uyakwazi ukubamba ama frequency olizwi asimkhiphe yena asimlalise nanga. Kushuthi sithi wena uyakwazi ukubamba ama frequencies o sound olizwi nokukhanya behlangene no Christos esewonke. Kusho ukuthi mawaphethe wonke lama frequencies uyilona wena uNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe awusukane ngamadoda. Ngiyithanda passion yami the way ngichazela ngakhona man nami siqala ukungiseduce siqala ukungichaza because ngiyayifila lento engitshela yona like that's why ungibona ngathi ne expression yami kanje because I'm feeling this man, this is so beautiful. These teachings are giving freedom and love and understanding yokusuka zonke inkinga mfethu. You know, I'm introducing you guys to nami into yangikhulula ngaqala ngasimama spiritually nje na mentally because of le imfundiso lezinto esengizazi. Ngiyangithi noma ngibona into ezithusayo la emhlabeni mina ngikho worried because I know ukuthi where am I channeled to, and now ngiyakusiza I'm sharing that with you. But please do your own research bafethu ungagcina ukulalela mina. Ngiyathanda ngoba abaningi bayabuya manje bangitshela ukuthi sebeyiresearchela nabo ngoAshayana bayathola ukuthi hayi mkhulu lezi zinto okhuluma ngazo siyabonga ukuthi khona wena lo yamama simuzwa kodwa siyayazi ukuthi usho lento oyishoyo. So siyabonga ukuthi kube khona wena uzosihlaziyela kahle. Nami ngithi ke siyathokoza ngani zakwethu. Right ke asiqhubeke. Right, you literally become God masuna 48. Right? Because uyobusuna lama frequencies wazo zonke lezi ezidala. Zwana other earth humans ezinye idalwa zala kwa earth have the DNA imprint of the fallen Christos avatars. So they cannot embody the Christ frequencies or the Christos frequencies. Kuthiwa ke kunabantu abanama genetic imprints wama fallen angels emzimbeni yabo. Abazibona. Yinga ama fallen angels angithi sithi ayihlamuka from ama Christos frequencies. Umndeni lo wama Christos frequencies. Therefore abasawathola abasaphili ngama Christos frequencies. Ngaze ngakuchazela ku episode ku season 1 episode 5 la ngikhuluma khona ngama fallen angelics ukuthi ukuze atholele angithi yonke into iphiliswa ama Christos frequencies bona bayihlamuka kuwo babe bazophila ngani babethembe wena ukuthi bazowancela kuwe. Ingakho bekufaka ngaphansi kwe matrix ngoba wena umshini oba generate ama Christos frequencies ngokuthi wesabe mawesaba njalo unikeza ama fallen angelics ama Christos frequencies wakho aphileke wona zonke ngalawo ma frequencies akho. Uyabona? Manake kuthiwa ama fallen angels njobe kulesi simo nje sokungakhoni fallen twisimo sawo singalungiseka njalo but they can reverse that mutation, genetic mutation, by activating their 12th strand, which means nabo bana potential yokuba no 12th strand but bayasaba uku-activate ngoba kuzongena iChristos izofika ibawashe benza lento ekuthiwa i-reflection bebona izenzo zabo njoba zinjalo sekumele ukuthi baxoliseke bekwenziwe zonke abafuni ukwenza zonke lezo zinto bathi hayi si-right sila sinje siphila kanje asifuni ukuyenza yonke lo nto asifuni ukuyilungise i-mutation leyo kithi uyabona si-right sinje abayifuni lo nto leyo sesiyaqeda kuthiwa ke zonke idalwa kumele zibe nawo lama frequencies weChristos ukuze hleze exhumene noNkulunkulu kusho ukuthi isidalwa esingasenawo lama Christos frequencies siba disconnected noNkulunkulu. Ingakho nawo ama manifestations wakho engenzekile weyofisa ngakho ingakho uphila impilo ongayiphila because you've been disconnected. Hayi ukuthi ngoba ungenawo lama frequencies we fallen cha wena waluthwa wena wakhohliseka awunawo nje awakho ama frequencies today because wakhohliswa akusisi isivumelwano wasenza ubona. That's why iphambana lento. Laba abama fallen angels aba conscious ubabona ukuthi be-enjoy kwenza ububi wena u-enjoy kwenza ububi wena yabona that's why lempilo yakhe inzima ulwisana ne-imprint esakuphethe njengamanje ama fallen angels ongayifakanga kuyo and impilo yakho libiyale ithi siyale that's why besebenzisa amadlozi ngoba amadlozi ngikade ngisho ngo-D4 ukuthi yonke into yaba D4 ayihlangene noNkulunkulu kade ngikubala. That's why besebenzisa amadlozi because amadlozi awaxhumene noNkulunkulu futhi ayikho into ekuthiwa idlozi ngoba khona i-reincarnation ithi ugogo wakho ufile waphinde wabuya uyaphila njengamanje emzimbeni wengane entsha ubani ke kanti lohleze efika ngephupho yabona anyway ngihlezi ngichaza okay ngeke ngisagxile kakhulu kukho nami sengiyakunderstand ngani zakwethu ngaphandle komuntu omushayo yeah kuthiwa ke the fallen angels are this way because they lost balahlekelwa ama strands of DNA ka12 and 11 uyabona abanye babo ke banama DNA strands awu10 abanye awu9 uyabona u11 12 akekho ngoba kwangena u11 12 izongena iChristos frequencies iba clean abafuni ukuklinwa but ba right be the way bangakhona uyabona benze kumnyama la emhlabeni ngesimanga sokuthi ke abawatholi lama frequencies angithi ama Christos frequencies lawo ngesimanga sokuthi bona abawatholi sebengama anti-Christos fallen angels uyabona lo nto leyo sebebizwa ngama anti-Christic ke u-antichrist uqhamuka lapho bonke Lucifer oJehovian Anunnaki zo ama antichrist masithi nje antichrist yazi ukuthi u-fallen angels lo buka ke na into enhle kuthiwa bakhandelwa ama healing programs seliyaduma ke izulu selizovelelini engathi lingana sengiqedile sengiyaqeda phela engiqedile kuthiwa ke ngesimanga sokuthi uNkulunkulu phela uwathanda onke ama aspects akhe nawo ama fallen angels ama aspects wakhe wakhanda ama healing programs for idalwa lezi ezingama fallen angels eseziredi ukubona amaphuthazo ukuthi awuthina sesiyafuna ukuyibuyisa ukuthi zifike zihlanjululwe bese ziyabuyela kumdala ngeke nje vele athi siyaxolisa zithi siyaxolisa bese yakwamukela cha kuzomela zihlanjululwe kuqala ngalama healing programs nathi sanika lawo ma healing programs ukuthi sizowalapha njengoba ngithi sizowakhahlela siwafaka induku yikho ukwelapha lo awayifuni le healing kade ngilokhu ngisho nanokuyihlamuka ayihlamuka ngamabomu awayifuni yonke lento le esithunyela ukuthi sizoyenza kuwo that's why esilalise ngematrix ngishilo ngiqala ivideo thina emzimbeni yethu siphethe ama frequencies wokulapha ama fallen angels nabo bonke abantu abenza ububi siphethe ama frequencies okuzobelapha abayifuni ke lo nto leyo that's why kumele basicindezeleke nabathakathi kumele basithakathe singenzeli lutho uyabona ingxenye ama fallen angels awagcini lapha ko Ramaphosa lapha nabo Donald Trump lapha nabo UK laba abantu abaphethe umhlaba lapha abanye siphila nabo la abathakathi nje for an example bazovimba ubuhle la emhlabeni bacindezela ubuhle lama programs okwelapha lezi idalwa ke ay createwe isigungu sokuqala ukhumbule Interdimensional Association of Free World right ay designela ukuthi akwazi ukualigna lezi idalwa ayizibuyisele kumdala la izayihlamuka khona right bese zithola back ama crystals frequencies ka 12 and 11 dimension 12 and 11 activate ku DNA strand number 12 and 11 uyabona bese ziyabuyela ke kwi-Emerald Covenant isivumelwano lesiya esenziwa olizwi nama-Christos ukuthi bazoyikhanda impilo ngaphansi komthetho wobunye i-Emerald Covenant uyabona bese izinto ibuyela lapho alright kodwa ke bona phezulu kokuba ekhona lama healing programs nama solution still bayakhetha uba ama antichrist ngenhloso so sengiqedile ke ngenza kwethu mhlawumbe ngenza recap sithi lana kunenhlangano iorganization nayo uJesu vela kuyo sengibese ngichazile ebizwa ngokuthi iIani Master Council seliphelele leli gama Melchizedek Cloister iIani Master Council right yakhiwe ngamalungu eMaharaji race iMaharaji race line yona combination yama azurite atholakala ka dimension 6 kodwa kahle kahle ama azurites avela le phezulu ko dimension 12 right bawatshala ke onke ama dimensions but specifically la aka 12 no Oraphim ngonjalo uyidalwe zakhandwa after ama azurite zatshalwa towards onke ama dimensions right but kushuthi kusebenzisana ama azurite akwa dimension 6 bese kusebenzisana no Oraphim bakwa dimension 5 together right to formulate this Maharaj right I race line le yayikhandwe by the azurite and the iIani race line bese ngishilo embodiment bona they have got the original frequencies of creation let's siwabiza ngama Christos inhloso yabo noma iduty yabo umsebenzi wabo right it was to carry out universal protection duties through Stargate guardianship and handling matters of dimension 5 to 1 right and to protect the Oraphim ngesimanga sokuthi sekukhona ama Anunnaki phela right ke bafethu okusho ukuthi ke lezi idalwa eMaharaj ziyasebenzisana kakhulu nalezi idalwa eziphezulu Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds the Azurite Stargate Universal Protection Team iGuardian Alliance no Oraphim bayi combination nje bonke bangama Guardian Angelics sesikhathele phela ukuhlezi sizwa angithi sengichazele kakhulu ngama fallen angels angifuni ukulibe ngigxila kuwo nawe uzugcwala ukwesaba uyijethi sisodwa azivikelekile cha sina guidance enkulu kakhulu futhi okuningi kwezinto kwakumele zenzeke la kwa earth azenzeka ngesimanga sokuthi babe busy belwa ukuzwe ngezimpi zakamoya yizo zonke lezi sikhuluma ngazo nayo ilokhungana igalactic war impi yakwamoya sithi kwamoya ngani ngoba kwenzakala le emazweni la singaboni khona ngihlezi ngimchazela ethi impilo ihlukene kabili energetic bese iba biological uyabona liyaqinisa leli zulu yasi with that said inganza kwethu siqedileke nebe nginiphathele khona kulesi script sanamhlanje ngokuzayo ke ngizobe sengena ke ngigxile ngijule lapha kwa dimension 5 ngichazeleke ukuthi ke kwenzakalani kwa dimension 5 yini eyasenza ukuthi sisuke kwa dimension 5 size sithole sesila kwa earth uyabona uzobe sekubalula ke for wena ukuthi uunderstand uma ngikhuluma ngemaster counsel ngoba usuzo understand ukuthi ile counsel yalapha na kwa dimension 6 okuyiyona engamela ukuvikela onke lamanye ama dimensions neyethi dimension lesikuyo uyabona. So ileso ke bafethu ebenginiphathele sona isiqephu sanamuhla. Ngizocela ukuthi ke nikwazi ukuphinde nithamele esilandelayo ngokuzayo okuyoba uLwesithathu lo olulandelayo. Kuningi kakhulu bafethu sisazokhuluma ngakho okuhlanganisa lempilo esiyiphilayo ngoba silokhu sehla nayo lento ngohologo kanje. Siyoze sifike kwa-Atlantis. Inhloso yami ukuthi ngifikise lapho kwa-Atlantis noLemuria ngoba ngangenza enye ivideo ngichaza ngithi bafethu uyabona ukuthi mase senyukele saze safika na kwa-Egypt ngoba nakhona that's why Egyptian mythology nayo nje i-reversed somewhere somehow because kwenzela ukuthi kuyaziwa ukuthi eGibhithe la siyothola khona ama-traces waka-Lemuria no-Atlantis. Sathola lawo ama-traces, we are connected back into our reality noma the history of our ancient reality la khona okwakuphila khona ama-divine cosmic beings ngokusebenzisana nawo ama-aliens, ama-extraterrestrials and metaterrestrials. Nabo phela bahlukene kabili nawo ama-guardian angelics la ngikhuluma ngawo. They are part of the extraterrestrials and metaterrestrials. Ukuvikela thina liyaduma nje lelizulu yazi angiyivale le video le. Oh mana ngathi khona okusalile. Oh yes. Oh cishe ngayivala ivideo. Kuthiwa lana because of their duty the IANI Master Council has its operational military base in Dimension 6 Sirius B, but also has other military bases in places like the inner earth of Dimension 2. Inner earth is dimension engaphansi kwethu, just underneath us. Ibizwa ngo-inner earth. Idalo zakhona ayifani nathi. Zikuyi-2D image. Yabo thina njengoba sekuyi-3D zikuyi-2D zona. Ngizama ukuthi zi-energy ngathi ziwopopayi. Ama-cartoons izinto eziphilayo ngeke ngakusho futhi nalokho. Yazi njengoba sengiswitchelela kwa-YouTube ayikho into entsha engisho. Izinto engangikhuluma ko-live lezi bayazi ababengilandela ko-live. Izinto engangikhuluma ko-live ngasaba ukuyifaka kwi-content. I-content yami lezinto mawuzoyicinga ngeke uyithole. Ngangikhuluma ko-live baze banginxenxa. Ingakho mawubona le video iyayiphele ngiyangithi ngiyabonga umndeni wami waka TikTok specifically angisho wonke umuntu ongilandelayo ngisho umuntu owayelandela live bami sasikhuluma sasijula lapha na ku live bayazi impela babefunda live babethamela live bami lezi zinto ayibathusi sebake bazizwa ngikhuluma uyabona. So u-inner earth ke kuthiwa what D2 inner earth ko dimension 2 ikhona ke nale IANI Master Council nayo bayicana kanjalo kwamanye ama dimensions for protective measures, right? But for extended protection of Stargate number 6, the IANI Master Council then implemented another security organization called the IANI Council. Ngicela ukuzwe kumehluko bafowethu. Khona u-IANI Master Council okuyilo omkhulu akade simusho. Bese kuba khona u-IANI Council. Ileli council elincane ke osekuyilona kusho ukuthi i-IANI Council ireporta lapha kwa dimension 6. I-IANI Council ukusuka lapho from next week nje. Not next week isobe sekwathatha. Mase kuleya episode mase sifikile la kwa Earth ngakutshela ukuthi safika kanjani kwa Earth. Uzozwa kakhulu ngaleli gama lithi IANI Council. Ukhumbule le episode mawulokhu ngizwa ngithi IANI Council ngoba sometimes ngizongalichaza. Udideke ukuthi asemaningi manje nalama security team yo lama organizations kumele vela emaningi kwakuliwa phela kunzima. And ngithe kuwe ngiqala ivideo noma ngithe phakathi lapha sengizoqala ngathi zengekho indlela zokuthi kuthiwa siyayivikela ngoba sasitshethi sisafe sisema suburbs kanti asazi ukuthi impisi ifikile. Uyabona ukuthi masingabala lama security organizations sisuka ku Interdimensional Association of Free World, sisuka siye kuma Azurite, siye ko Orafim, siye ko Maharaji, you know, siye ko kwaTara nakhona sidonsa ama Turanisium nama organizations wakhona asemaningi kakhulu bafowethu. Kusavikelwa i-universe noma i-multiverse. Uyabona. So yeah, siyaphela lapho nganza kwethu lokho ndimpela bengeniphathele khona ngizothanda ukuthi ngiphinde nithameleke ngokuzayo. Umyalezo engiyangithanda ukushare nawo mfowethu ukuthi uma ngabe izinkulumo zami uyayibuka impela ziyakuphilisa, uyazuza futhi ngazo spiritual, and mentally and emotionally. Ubungathanda ukuthi abantu abaningi bazizwe izinkulumo zami ukuze bezokwelapheka nabo ngoba ngihleze ngisho ngithi siyadingana. Ingakho nama ngifuna ukuthula nalento engiyaziyo, ngifuna ukuyitshela wena because ngiyazi ukuthi nawe uma uraise vibration yakho sihlanganisa neyami uphuma ifrequency enkulu lapha. Angiphathi mase siba u10, angiphathi mase siba u50, angiphathi mase siba u500. Njoba sebe u500 nje abantu asebe subscribeile lapha. Sine frequency yethu ngokulandela ihlula umthakathi, vibrate frequency yethu amazing. Izosiza laba abanye abantu noma sesinganga bavusa sithi siyabashumayeza ngokuthi thina nje silwazi lolu lwazi kuphinda kuplace hamba khona so hambe swafafaza lama frequencies wethu without even using imilomo yethu. So masifuna umyalezo kwahlula umthakathi ufinyelele nakwabanye abantu, share likhona ibutton lika share lapha, uyabona, share link kwa Facebook kwalophungana kwa Twitter uX abasebenzisa uX nakwa Instagram. Umuntu usoyibonela yena ubhale nje caption, uyabona. Uma ukuthi kunzima lokho ungakhona ukuthi uyi-download le video uhambe ukhatha uphisa omncane wakho ufake ku status sakho saka WhatsApp. Bafethu manifuna ukudownload ama video ami yani lapha kwa Play Store ufuke ubhale ukuthi all video downloader i-app le izokuhlupha ke nama adverts amaningi kodwa ayikho phela into esizoyenza. Yonke into isiyaba nama advert these days. Mase uyi-downloadile lo app usuyabuya uza la ukhopha ilink ye video ufuna ukuyi-downloada kahlula umthakathi, uyahamba uyoyipaste ngale usuyayiconverter whether uyenza i-video noma uyenza i-MP3 kube into oyilalelayo mhlawumbe mawufakile ama-earphone, yabona, usuyayi-downloada. Simple and straightforward. Ngihleze ngiwubona umbuzo wenu bafethu, ngiyaqolisa ngithatha isikhathi ukuliphendula, uyabona. So share abafethu inkulumo zami. Number 2 ke ukuze ungisize ke phela nami ngoba ngiyithatha serious lento engiyenzayo, you know, ukuze uYouTube ebone ukuthi cha lento iyasebenza. Comment mfethu ngiyacela. Shaya isithupha bese uyakhomenta noma ungafaka i-dot makuvelile lezi comment noma ungafaka i-heart. You don't have to kube khona into oyishoyo ukuthi hayi mina ngifuna kumncoma kanje uhlula umthakathi. Mengekho amagama wekho but comment. Ucofa u-like. Uyabona? So kushuthi ngithi share, like and comment. Bese wena oyibukela kokuqala le video yami subscribe. Mawuqeda ukusubscribe cofa i-notification icon ukuze uYouTube njalo mangi-upload i-content entsha ezokwazisa. Ngibongele kakhulu ngenza kwethu ngesikhathi senu ukuthi nikwazi ukungithamela ngalomzuzu. Ngizocela ukuthi futhi siphinde sihlangane ngeviki elizayo. Sisazokwenza wona lo mshikashika lo wokwambula izinqa zabantu abasilalisile, abasikhotisile, basishintshela umlando ukuthi singavuki sizazi ukuthi singobani sikuphi sivela futhi kungani. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.